Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Passat front turn signal bulb. First, you'll need a few basic tools like a flathead screwdriver and a new bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started with the preparation. Before we begin, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. For most VW Passat models, this will be a 12-volt, 21-watt amber bulb. You'll also want a flathead screwdriver, which is useful for gently prying open access panels. Remember to always prioritize safety. Ensure your car is off and cool before touching any components.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: an Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with music and voice commands. Imagine listening to your favorite tunes while working on your car. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely see a plastic cover or an access panel that needs to be removed. Use your flathead screwdriver if necessary, but be gentle to avoid damage. Once the cover is off, locate the turn signal bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise to unlock it. With the bulb holder out, carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a little snug, but it should come out without too much force. Now, take your new bulb and push it firmly into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Finally, reinsert the bulb holder into the headlight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.